awareness, and raw sensations. Take a comfortable seat, either on a cushion on the floor or on a chair, and gently close your eyes. And just feel your body resting in space. Feel the sensations of weight pulling you into your seat. Let your awareness be brought open. Let all the raw sensations just be there where they appear. They appear on their own, independent of you. There's nothing for you to do right now. Let those sensations appear on their own in this broad space of awareness. Tingling and pressure, vibration, itching, pain, whatever it is, pleasant or unpleasant. Let's pay special attention to the pleasant and unpleasant feeling tone of each experience. See if you can cease to care at all about pleasant and unpleasant. Let everything be as it is. Let your thoughts come and go. Sensations in the body, sounds, and if there's anything even slightly unpleasant, pain somewhere or discomfort, or the feeling of restlessness or frustration or doubt, just notice that too. See if you can simply be a mirror-like space in which that appears. So too with pleasant sensations or thoughts or emotions. Just let your awareness reflect all of these things equally. Nothing to hold on to. There's nothing to push away. The moment you notice that you were lost in thought, just begin again. Begin again with a bright and clear awareness. Notice if your awareness is being colored by liking or disliking anything. Sensations, thoughts, the feeling that your meditation practice might be going well or badly. See if you can undo all of that in this instant. Just drop it. Be nakedly aware of raw sensations. Stay as this broad space of awareness for a few moments. Again, if you find yourself distracted by thoughts, just recognize that those thoughts also arise in that space of awareness. And instead of identifying yourself with a mental chatter, simply recognize that open space of awareness in which everything else arises. This spaciousness of awareness is always present. No matter how busy your thoughts and emotions seem to be, awareness is always underlying every appearance, every sensation. Train yourself to recognize and be able to come back to this space. It is always available. Now take a few intentional breaths, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today.